Imagine a book so dangerous, its touch could be a death sentence. Not a fictional curse, but a very real, physical threat bound within its pages. For centuries, whispers followed this particular volume. Those who handled it often fell ill, sometimes fatally. It gained a terrifying reputation, a legend of a book that killed everyone who owned it. The stories date back generations. Owners would acquire the book, perhaps drawn by its age or subject matter, only to suffer mysterious ailments, fevers, nausea, a slow decline. Doctors were baffled. No infectious disease seemed to spread from person to person, only from the book to its handler. Libraries and collectors grew wary, treating the volume with extreme caution, if they dared handle it at all. It became known as the Book of Death, a macabre curiosity with a chillingly consistent history. Every known owner, every dedicated reader, eventually succumbed. The pattern was undeniable, but the cause remained a terrifying enigma. Modern science finally took on the cold case. Researchers, equipped with advanced analytical tools, decided to investigate the book itself. They didn't just read it, they analyzed its very composition. Using techniques like X-ray fluorescence, they scanned the book's materials. The results were shocking, yet explained everything. The vibrant green pigment, used extensively in the book's binding and illustrations, wasn't just dye. It was Paris green, a compound containing copper acetoarsenic. In simpler terms, it was arsenic, a deadly poison flaking off the pages and cover with every touch, every turn of the page. Why wasn't this discovered sooner? For centuries, the link between the book and the deaths was circumstantial, shrouded in superstition. The science to detect trace elements of poison in materials didn't exist. Perhaps there was no deliberate cover-up, just a lack of understanding. Or maybe, some suspected the truth but feared the panic, choosing to isolate the book rather than reveal its horrifying secret. The book's beauty masked its lethal nature, a silent killer hidden in plain sight on a bookshelf. Its history serves as a grim reminder that danger can lurk in the most unexpected places, even within the pages of a seemingly harmless old book. The mystery is solved, but the chilling reality remains. The Book of Death is now handled with extreme caution, often behind glass. Its story is a dark chapter in the history of material science and public health. If you found this historical mystery fascinating, subscribe for more deep dives into the hidden dangers of the past. And next time, we explore another historical object with a deadly secret.